Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will learn about how to host your static website for free at GitHub Pages. So here I have created a project called Breakout Game. So first of all we will go to settings, then we will click on pages, and this is my default settings. So I have to make to root and deploy from branch and from main directory. So if I click on save, then it will start the process of deploying the website. So we have to wait for a minute. Yeah, so we can also host the website on your custom domain. If you want to learn how to host the website on custom domain, then let me know in comments, so I will create the video on how to host your website at custom domain for free on GitHub Pages. So yeah, let me reload it and see what you done. It will take 2-3 minutes to host. See, here is it written in progress. So you can also see this badge. Yeah, deploying process. Yeah, now active. It's active. So if I click on pages, then your site is live at this domain. So Anshul Soni 2010 is my user ID. See here of github.io, and this is the repository name, breakout underscore name game. So if I click on this, my game is live at Anshul Soni 2010.github.io slash breakout underscore game. So you can also do it same. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.